Welcome you all to the Daily Crypto News channel. We are committed to bringing a minimum of one video per day informing you about what's happening in the crypto space. We encourage you to comment on our videos so that it will help us to put more quality videos as you like us to do. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get regular notifications when we post new videos. With cheers, Maithari. 250 Bitcoin from 2009 moved after 12.4 years, rare BTC mined over a two-day span. Web3 security firm Certik raises $88 million in Series B3 financing round led by Tiger Global and others, are the top stories in the crypto space today. Stay tuned till the end of the video so that you will not miss any important updates. Web3 security firm Certik raises $88 million in Series B3 financing round led by Tiger Global and others. Certik, a Web3 and blockchain auditing and security firm, has raised $88 million in its recent B3 funding round. The round, which was led by Tiger Global and included Goldman Sachs as an investor in the firm, gives the company a valuation of $2 billion. This doubles the valuation that Certik reached via its last funding round in November 2021. Certik reaches $2 billion valuation. Certik, a blockchain auditing firm, has closed its Series B3 financing round with a significant increase in investments. The company raised $88 million with Tiger Global, Insight Partners, and Advent International leading the round, and with the participation of Goldman Sachs and other current investors. With this funding round, the company has managed to reach a valuation of $2 billion, doubling the numbers it obtained in its Series B2 funding round in November 2021, which gave it a valuation of $1 billion. Regarding how the company has managed these funding rounds and their successes, Ronghui Gu, founder and CEO of Certik told TechCrunch, "We have raised 4 rounds in the past 9 months and the valuation has grown more than 10 times. We haven't touched any money in the past 4 rounds. The money is in the bank and the reason is that Certik is a profitable business." The firm attributes this growth to the importance that blockchain security and pre-deployment audits have taken on now that there have been massive hacks and exploits involving bridges, like the one that Sky Mavis Ronin network faced recently. In total, more than $1 billion has been lost in these attacks. New deployments and KYC coming. While the company already offers various products for groups that want to secure their blockchain deployments, there will be more of these products in the future, whose aim will be to simplify the security setup of Web3 ecosystems. Part of the funds raised will go to the construction of a one-stop security platform for the entire Web3 world and other products. Certik's signature platform, called Skynet, which offers surveillance for attacks on smart contracts, had reported revenue growth of more than 2,000% by November 2021. The company is also putting special emphasis on KYC for the future of the Web3 space. In the press release announcing the new raise, the company declared, "Certik recently launched its Know Your Customer (KYC) and fraud investigation service this year. Certik believes KYC is the missing link in most competitive offers for helping prevent malicious intent, i.e., rug pulls, by owners of a project." What do you think about Certik's Series B3 funding round? Tell us in the comments section below. 250 Bitcoin from 2009 moved after 12.4 years, rare BTC mined over a two-day span. On 7th April and 8th, 2022, approximately 5 Bitcoin block rewards mined in 2009 were spent in a concession of transfers. The last time a 2009 block was spent was 1.10 years ago on 20th May 2020. The 250 Bitcoin from the latest 2009 spend sat idle for 12.4 years, and the coins were worth $10.8 million at the time of transfer. Sleeping Bitcoins from 2009 rise from slumber. This week, blockchain passers got some fascinating Bitcoin spends that stemmed from 2009 Coinbase subsidy rewards. Once in a while, passers catch 2011 transfers, and on rare occasion, 2010 spends happen as well. But none are as rare as 2009 block rewards, and these blocks become far more interesting because they are much closer to Bitcoin's creator Satoshi Nakamoto. The last time a 2009 block reward transfer took place was on 20th May 2020, when someone transferred the Coinbase reward from block 3654. Then, 687 days later on 7th April 2022, two block rewards from 2009 were suddenly transferred after 12.4 years of dormancy. The first spend took place at 2:25 a.m. UTC on 7th April, and the Coinbase reward was initially derived from a block found on 23rd November 2009. This block reward transferred was the only one minted that day, while the following four 2009 block reward spends were issued on 22nd November 2009. The first transfer of 50 BTC or block reward 27,811 from 2009 was officially confirmed at a block height of 730,784. Following that spend, BTC per Com's blockchain passers got another 2009 block reward transferred at block height 730,787. This particular block reward born on 22nd November 2009 was block 27,749. Interestingly, the miner from 12 years ago chose to spend another concession of 3 block rewards the very next day at block height of 730,907. All 3 of the block rewards were spent in the same block, and the 150 BTC transferred originated on 22nd November 2009. Analytics show sender used little privacy. Block 3654 remains in dormant addresses. Blockchain's privacy tool gives the first transaction a very poor rating of critical as the transfer was sent with zero privacy tactics. In fact, all 4 of the 2009 related transactions had critical privacy ratings at 0 except for one particular transaction, block reward 27,694. Blockchain's privacy tool gave that specific transfer an 85 rating and only to privacy vulnerability issues. One issue was that matched addresses were identified in the transfer, as the tool says it identified which of the recipient addresses possibly belong to one or more senders. Another interesting thing to note is the owner of the 250 bitcoins in total did not spend the corresponding Bitcoin Cash, BCH, or bitcoins, BSV, associated with the original addresses. Moreover, the 250 BTC was not split up into a great number of other addresses, as each send saw 2 recipients each. This was similar to the block spend in May 2020, when the reward from block 3654 was only sent to 2 recipients. The 50 BTC spent that day currently remains in dormant addresses and has not moved since. What do you think about the 5 block rewards spent this week? Let us know what you think about this subject in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for regular notifications when we post a new video. If you like the content, kindly share this video with your friends and press the like button. Happy learning!